making a delicious and really hearty smoky corn and fish chowder. My fish I've got all diced up. This is sustainable black cod, skin off, bite-sized pieces. In the pot, we have celery, garlic, onion. Oh, it smells so good. Bay leaf, a little cayenne pepper, fresh thyme, dry mustard, salt and pepper. The vegetables have sweat out. The smaller you chop the vegetables and the potatoes, the quicker they'll cook. Once I add the potatoes in the pot, I usually put the lid on just slightly ajar to sort of force the veggies along a bit. Then you're ready to add a little bit of flour. Because I said I don't add a lot of heavy cream, and the broth is a mixture of stock and half for milk, I do throw a little bit of flour just to sprinkle over the top to help thicken it up a touch. Stir the flour around a minute so it doesn't taste like paste. Then, because our liquids are already hot, we don't really have to wait for them to heat up in the soup pot. We could continue making the soup straight through. That's a great strategy if you want to make quick homemade soups while you're cooking some of your ingredients in your soup pot and getting the veggies soft. You can also be heating up the liquids at the same time in a different pot. Now we're going to add our star ingredients. Our fire roasted corn. I just started seeing this in the markets, I don't know, about a year ago. But it's great when the corn isn't in season. You can't just throw it on the grill and char it up and then scrape it down. They got it already done for you in the frozen food section. So I'm going to add my charred fire roasted corn. In the summer, I would just throw it on the grill, char it up, scrape it off. And then you slide your fish in, partially cover the pot, and just let it simmer gently until the fish cooks through, depending on how big or little you cut the chunks. Shouldn't take more than 7 to 8 minutes for a big piece. And if you cut them this little bite-sized piece, 4 or 5 minutes tops. Throw your bacon back in. That's looking good. I'll show you guys how I top it right after this. Every time I serve chowder, I'm a little obsessed. I have to have a box of oyster crackers. You must have hot sauce, if not multiple hot sauces. And for me, I like grassy flat leaf parsley, a little chopped parsley, and mild onion. I love chives. Chives, parsley, hot sauce, oysters. I can't see through the television. I will never know if you ignore me, but those are the best toppers for chowder. So now we're gonna serve up that fire roasted corn and black cod and bacon chowder. Ridiculous. So good, so good. Oh, smell-o-vision, people. Smells good. And then, probably want a cracker. Probably want a few more crackers. Chives. Parsley. Hot sauce. Yeah, baby. Yum.